Hello guys, playing Ocean Rift. So this is my So today we're playing Ocean Rift. Okay. Flaming angelfish. The blue sharks. Okay, oh my god, kiss my eyes. Okay, no, I'm sorry, I've seen this a lot. Big spooning around. Starfish, blue shark, blue tank batteries. Anyway, okay. Keep it only on great white sharks. I'm just gonna do a little pause for a second, but I will not stop recording. You know what? I'll just let you guys read this. Oh, where did it go? Okay, just so if you don't rely on this one, this is Ocean Rift. Oh, this is don't mind. Oh my gosh. It's a starfish. Let me see. jellyfish are just crustaceans. Oh. There's no, like, how would jellyfish be endangered?
Starfish, also known as sea stars, are echinoderms closely related to sea urchins and sea cucumbers. There are around 2,000 varieties of starfish in the world. Starfish typically have 5 arms, though some species have 10, 20, or even 40 arms. Starfish have bony, calcified skin with tiny spines across the surface to protect against predators like fish, crabs, and birds. They are famous for their ability to regenerate body parts, and some can even regenerate entire bodies. It takes about a year for a starfish to replace a lost limb. Most starfish are carnivores and use suction cups on their arms to grab creatures like sponges and mollusks. They have no hard mouth parts and eat by pushing their stomach out of their mouth to envelop and digest food outside the body.
Okay, so the size is 12 to 24 centimeters. The range is all over the habitat is human. The diet is sponges, mussels, and other invertebrates, and they are not endangered. Okay, so now to Luffy. This is scary. So guys, if you're scared of jump scares, this game is not for you. But there is jump scares. It's things that can kill you. Okay, now we have
Humphead wrasse, also known as the Napoleon wrasse, are the largest species of wrasse on Earth, with males reaching lengths of up to 2 meters and weighing over 180 kilograms. They are found mainly on coral reefs in the Indian and Pacific Ocean. Like most wrasses, humphead wrasse are androgynous hermaphrodites, meaning while all are born female, some will transform into males later in life. They are opportunistic predators with a diet rich in fish, mollusks, seal.
we still have I'll do the dinosaurs in a different video. I'm kind of scared of dinosaurs. I don't know where we are. Sorry if you want to learn all them, just get ocean after me. Anyways, but
Humphead wrasse, also known as the Napoleon wrasse, are the largest species of wrasse on Earth, with males reaching lengths of up to 2 meters and weighing over 180 kilograms. They are found mainly on coral reefs in the Indian and Pacific Ocean. Like most wrasses, humphead wrasse are androgynous hermaphrodites, meaning while all are born female, some will transform into males later in life. They are opportunistic predators with a diet rich in fish, mollusks, sea urchins, and other small invertebrates. Humphead wrasse also possess a rare immunity to toxic spines, which means they are one of a few species. The great white shark is the largest predatory fish on Earth. They grow to an average length of 4.5 meters, though females can grow as large as 6 meters and weigh over 2 tons. Great whites are found in cool coastal waters around the world and have a lifespan of around 70 years. Great whites are highly adaptive predators with a streamlined body and strong tails that can propel them up to 24 kilometers per hour. Their powerful jaws are lined with 7 rows of around 300 serrated triangular teeth. Great whites have an incredible sense of smell and can detect a drop of blood in 100 liters of water. Their diet largely consists of sea lions, seals, small whales, and sea turtles, and they usually take their prey by surprise by attacking from below. Despite a fearsome reputation, attacks on humans are rare, with around 5 to 10 reported cases every year. Note, Ocean Rift's great white sharks haven't been fed in a while.
See? That's they said that because it was bad. Because I know with Ocean Rift's great white sharks haven't been fed in a while. So that just tells you that they will eat you alive. It said the length was 4.5 to 6 meters. The range is all oceans. Habitat is I don't know what this is. Diet sea lions and seals, small whales, turtles, and the status of the vertebrate. I mean, no. So next, we have... Oh crap! Spider crab. Yeah, they're pretty big. Known as...
The Japanese spider crab is a species of marine crab that live in the deep waters off the coast of Japan. They are the largest known species of crab and have the largest leg span of any arthropod, reaching up to 5.5 meters from claw to claw. They are also one of the Earth's longest living creatures, with a lifespan of around 100 years. Japanese spider crabs are omnivores and eat a wide variety of plant and animal matter. They scrape the seabed looking for plants and algae, and occasionally use their powerful claws to prise open mussels and clams. They will also act like scavengers, consuming any carrion they can find. Japanese spider crabs have a thick, armored exoskeleton, which helps protect them from large predators like octopus. Their bumpy red color also helps them to camouflage against the rocky ocean floor, and they will often cover their shell with sponges and other animals to help blend into the environment.
So the length is up to 5.5 meters. Range, yeah, they're from Japan. So we're in Japan. So habitat is deep coastal water. The diet is algae, musks, plants. Yes. So next, sea snakes. So this is my favorite cuttlefish. They're my favorite animal. So we got these.
Red piranhas, also known as red-bellied piranhas, are freshwater predatory fish found in South America. They are indigenous to the Amazon basin and are often found in fast-flowing rivers. Piranhas have a single row of finely serrated teeth and one of the strongest bites among bony fishes. Similar to sharks, they also have special sensory organs which help them detect blood in the water. However, despite having a reputation as ferocious predators, piranhas are primarily scavengers and foragers, and will eat almost anything they can find. Piranhas live in large shoals, mostly to protect themselves from predators, rather than to hunt as a group. While schools of piranha do occasionally enter feeding frenzies and devour large prey in minutes, attacks like this are usually extremely rare.
Okay, so the length is 10 to 50 centimeters. It's kind of tiny to be these things. They range in the Amazon basin, South American rivers, and rivers. Habitat: rivers, lakes, rivers and lakes. Diet: fish, snails, and insects. Insects, aquatic plants. Status is not endangered. Yep, here's the secret ocean rift. There's also a secret ocean rift in blue sharks. So in these three, there's always this. In that one, there's not a secret sign, but it's on the one. These, the blue sharks and sea snakes, have it laying around because you can't let it through a bunch on the map. Eels. Sea snakes. Okay, I'm just gonna have to look around to get the facts.
The giant moray is the largest species of moray eel in the world. They can grow up to 3 meters in length and weigh over 30 kilograms. They are widespread in the Indo-Pacific region, from the eastern coast of Africa to the Hawaiian Islands.
Look how cute they are.
Giant morays live in lagoons and on coral reefs. They sit sheltered in rock or coral crevasses during the day and leave their lair at night to hunt, using their excellent sense of smell to locate prey. They are usually at the top of the food chain and feed mainly on fish and crustaceans. All moray eels have a second set of jaws, called pharyngeal jaws. While most predatory fish will use suction to pull food into their mouths, morays use their outer jaws to grasp onto prey, while the inner jaws shoot out, bite down and pull them into the eel's throat. While giant morays are usually not a concern to divers, care should always be taken, as they can be dangerous if provoked.
Okay, so the length is up to 3 meters. The range is the Indian and Pacific Ocean. The habitats are coastal shorelines, reefs and lagoons. I think we're reefs and lagoons. The diet of fish and crustaceans. They are not endangered. Yep, here's the secret ocean. Sorry about that.
Sea snakes, also known as coral reef snakes, are a subfamily of venomous elapid snakes related to cobras. There are about 50 different species of sea snake spread across the tropical waters of the Indian and Pacific
Only
Oceans.
3 different species.
Sea snakes are extensively adapted for aquatic life, with small heads and flattened tails to aid swimming. Unlike fish or eels, sea snakes do not have gills, and instead have to surface regularly to breathe. They have special flaps over their nostrils that close when underwater, and can dive for an average of about 30 minutes, though some can spend over an hour underwater. Sea snakes also have special glands under their tongues that collect salt from the blood, which they eject back into the water by flicking their tongues. Sea snakes are highly venomous and should be treated with caution. However, bites on humans are rare, and bites with venom injection are even rarer.
Okay, so the length is about 1 to 3 meters. Range is Indian, Pacific Oceans, coral habitats, coral reef and shallow coastal water. Diet of fish eggs, and eels, and then diet. That was the diet and status. Move to Indian Jara. Next one,
Bottlenose dolphins are the most common and well-known members of the oceanic dolphin family. They are highly intelligent marine mammals, and like humans and great apes, can recognize themselves in a mirror. Bottlenose dolphins and live in pods of between 10 and 30 individuals, which will cooperate, hunt, and raise young together. Dolphins join, split up, and rejoin pods in different combinations, and pods may sometimes combine for several minutes or hours to form larger social groups called herds. Dolphins communicate using a mixture of clicks, whistles, squeaks, and body language like jumping out of the water, tail flapping, and butting heads together. Being mammals, they need to come up to the surface to breathe, and most dolphin species can hold their breath for between 5 to 15 minutes. All dolphins are carnivores and mostly eat fish and squid. They search for food using a technique called echolocation, like bats, where they emit sounds and listen for the echoes to determine the location and shape of nearby objects.
Okay, I'm now reading length, range, habitat, and diet, and status. So, the length is up to 2 to 4 meters. Range, tropical island, and temperature of the oceans. Habitat, coastal, offshore, and diet, small fish, squid, and crustaceans. Status, not endangered.
Atlantic trumpetfish are long-bodied fish with an upturned tubular snout. They are widespread throughout the tropical waters of the Atlantic Ocean and range in length between 40 to 100 centimeters. Trumpetfish come in a variety of shades of dark brown, purple, green and yellow, and can change colors at will. Trumpetfish are a close relative of pipefishes and seahorses and have a similarly shaped head that they use for suction feeding. Their large snout acts like a straw, allowing them to easily suck up prey like small fish and prawns. Trumpetfish tend to swim slowly and sneak up behind prey. They are experts at camouflage and will often swim near larger fish to conceal their approach. Trumpetfish can often be seen floating vertically and motionlessly amongst long branches of coral, ready to ambush any prey that swims nearby.
Oh, we were down there. Like what is that? The range is Atlantic Ocean, habitat tropical waters, diet small fish, crustaceans, and status is unknown. So the status is if they're endangered or not. Some can say that they're not endangered. There's 7 different ones that we need to go to. Maybe just see all of them. There's way too much animal things because all of these are the ones that I need to look at. These are gonna be super long if it's way longer than what it already is. So yeah, that's very short. So yeah, these are salmon. Eat large chunks of meat. Bakona. Nice shot. So this thing is gonna appear out of nowhere. What do I do? Ah! Yeah, that's what it looks like when you get eaten by them. They jump scare you sometimes too. Wait, look at all of them. I'm not learning facts about wildflowers. Look, I'm just looking around. Ding ding. Okay. Yeah. No way, it's a swordfish! Jesus, blue whales everywhere.
Atlantic blue marlin are a species of marlin native to tropical and subtropical regions of the Atlantic Ocean. They are very large fish, growing up to 4 meters in length and weighing over 900 kilograms. Female blue marlin are up to 3 or 4 times larger than males. The blue marlin's 24 vertebrae allow them to swim extremely fast, reaching speeds of up to 95 kilometers per hour. They are very active and acrobatic animals and can regularly be seen leaping out of the water. Blue marlin spend most of their lives out to sea, following the warm ocean currents over thousands of miles. Blue marlin are solitary creatures and rarely gather in groups. They mostly hunt during the day and rely primarily on eyesight to find food. Their preferred hunting tactic is to swim through schools of fish using their long bill as a spear to stun, injure, and kill. After doing this a few times, they will return to the scene and eat what they find. Manatees, also known as sea cows, are large herbivorous marine mammals that live in shallow marshy coastlines and rivers. There are 3 living species: the Amazonian manatee, the West African manatee, and the West Indian manatee.
Learning about the facts just made this video like extra long. There's a deep sea in next thing is my second favorite sea animal because I like dolphins. This is what diving feels like. Hey, off out there in here. I love being a diver. And yes, since beluga whales live in icy ocean Atlantic waters, there's ice. And when you pay attention, you can only get fish.
Sea lions are a group of 7 amphibious mammal species characterized by external ears, large front flippers, and the ability to walk on land using all 4 flippers. Female sea lions give birth to their pups on land, and like all mammals...
Okay, I didn't mean to stop like that. We are in the deep sea. I'm actually kind of scared on this one. Vampire squid. Very close to it. Yes, there's an unknown in here. Jeez, what kind of starfish are these? Okay, so this is like kind of scary for me. Oh yeah, this is a vampire squid. Gee, like really a vampire. Some fish also. So this is like a unknown creature. It's a vampire squid, yes. Okay, yeah, I'm using my controls now. This is way too scary. So now I'm actually gonna find giant squid. Because yes, this is the end of the video. I'm not finding that ever. Video on going on. These, which one? Those two. Oh, I hate my vision off.